Hi friends, welcome back to the SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare Plumber Block 3D modeling and assembly in Inventor software. You can see all the parts are mentioned in the BOM list. So total 8 parts are there. So you can see the detailed drawing also. So I will prepare one by one 3D model, then I will do assembly in this tutorial. You can learn all the features in this tutorial. Please, I requesting you to please subscribe my channel and support me. Select new, standard, metric standard, create. You can see friends, the first part in the BOM is body. So you can see detailing also. The base dimension is 168 by 14 mm height and width is 36 mm. Select new, select 2D sketch, select plane, select line, give the dimension 168 mm, height is 14, give the equal connection and two lines, and dimension is here to here 4 mm. Select center point and give the origin center point. Okay, sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch. Select extrude. Select mid plane here. You can see the width is 36 mm. Give dimension 36 mm. Click OK. So our base is ready. Select top plane, select sketch, you can see the R is 43 mm. Select circle, create the dimension 43 into 2, 86 mm. Select project geometry, select this line and this line. Select trim, trim this line and this line. Select vertical constraint, select horizontal constraint, give the dimension R43 and also give the equal constraint. The sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, extrude up to 55 minus 14, 41 mm. 55 minus 14. Click OK. Now I will do the center cutout here. So for that, select this surface, sketch. First create on center line, construction line. Give the dimension from the top to bottom 12 mm and 60 mm, cut out 44 and 38 mm. This is 12, this is 3 mm, and here to here 44 by 2, here to here 38 by 2, 38 and 44. Select circle, create on circle, give the dimension, select this line, select 3 lines, select mirror option, select mirror line, select center line, apply. Select trim, select line, close this. So sketch is fully constrained. Click OK. Select extrude, select cut option, through hole, click OK. Now I will do this 2 cutouts, slat cutouts. That dimension is, pitch is 130 and slat length is 80 mm, R5. Select this surface, sketch, select slat, select line, take a construction line, give the dimension here to center 130 by 2, length is 8 mm, R5. Select horizontal constraint. So sketch is fully constrained. Select this entire sketch, select mirror option, select mirror line, apply. Finish sketch, select extrude, reverse the direction, through hole, OK. So cutouts are ready. Now I will create these 2 holes. The hole's diameter is 10.5 mm and pitch is 62 mm. Select this surface, sketch. So you can do in a 2 method. You can create point, then we can do hole, or we can do direct circle through hole. So select point, give the dimension, pitch is 62 mm. Select horizontal constraint, give center point. So we can do this symmetric. Select line, select construction, click OK, select symmetric, select 2 points, then select center line, click OK, select hole, here select clearance hole, go to ISO, here select socketed cap screw, select M10, through hole, OK. Now there is a bottom 2 cutout. The dimensions of the cutout is both side 8 mm and from the center also 8 mm and overall length is 68 mm. For the select bottom surface, sketch, here select 2 point rectangle, select dimension 8 mm, this is also 8, from center point also 8 and overall length is 68 mm. Okay, select line, select construction line, click OK, select this entire sketch, select here mirror option, select mirror line, apply, click OK, select extrude, reverse the direction, give 2 mm depth, click OK. After that we can see there is a square cutout, that dimension is 20 into 20. Select this surface, sketch, select center rectangle, give the dimension 20, tab 20. So same this side also, tab 20. So sketch is fully fine constraint, finish sketch, extrude, select remove material feature, select the sketch up to depth is 5 mm, up to 5 mm, click OK. Then last one is, there is a one hole in the center of the part, that hole diameter is 6 mm, depth is 6 mm. For hole, select mid plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension, this is 3 mm and depth is so first give this dimension so you can give more also, 8 mm. So this is 10 mm. Finish sketch, select revolve, select remove material, select center line, click OK. So hole has created. Save the part. Save as a body. Save. I will close this. Now the second part is cap. So I will show you how to prepare cap in Inventor. You can see all the dimensions. Select line, give the dimension. First create on center line, give the dimension here to here, 43. Then the height is 12 mm. And there is a two circles, one is R36 and R19. This is 10 mm. This is 10. This is 12. Select circle. Create on circle. Give the dimension from this point to circle center point 6 mm. Diameter R19. Select line, and also select one more arc is there, that is 36 72 mm diameter. Select circle, 72. So select extend here, extend up to. So select 3 lines. Select mirror. Select trim. select dimension. Okay, select horizontal constraint, select vertical constraint, so already center is there. Finish sketch, extrude, select mid plane, extrude up to 36 mm. Save as a calf. After that, select this surface, sketch, select circle, select 86, create one circle 86 mm, select project geometry, select these lines, finish sketch, through all. Okay, another circle is there. This is R2, 24 mm diameter. Select this surface, sketch. First create 10.5 holes. Select circle, 10.5, pitch is 65, I think 62, 62, 62 by 2, 62 by 2. Select horizontal constraint. Now select line, select mirror, select this circle, select mirror line, apply, finish sketch, extrude, select remove material, select two circles, through hull, click OK. Then select same surface, select circle, diameter to 12 into 2, 24. Same this side also, 24. Select project geometry. I think not required. Finish sketch, extrude, remove material, select the surface, reverse the direction, through hull, click OK. So there is a one hole, bottom dia 3 and top side dia 6 mm. So for that, select, create one plane first, give the dimension 17 mm. No, we want more than that. Select this surface, edit dimension 25, 30, yes. Select this plane, sketch, select one dia 3 mm hole first, click OK, reverse the direction through hull, click OK, select same plane, sketch, create one dia 6 circle, click OK, reverse the direction, length is 10 mm, OK. So hide the plane. So second part is completed. Third and fourth parts are bearing top and bottom. Control new. So you can see bearing top and bottom dimensions. So diameter is 50, 38, 38, 35 and inner diameter 25 mm. Length is 50, 36, 22. Okay. Select plane, sketch, select line, give the dimension, diameter 50 by 2, 25 mm. Second diameter is 38 and 35. 38 divided by 2. This is 35 divided by 2. And length is 25. First give this length 22, 36. Here to here 22 by 2. Same here to here 36 by 2. This is 50 by 2. So already there 25. So select vertical constraint and select origin point. First mirror this all the lines. Select all the lines, select mirror line, select this line, apply. So trim the center line, Oh. Okay, select origin point, select this point, this. So sketch is fully constrained. Finish sketch, revolve, select both, select revolve, select the axis, select here mid plane, select 180 degree, click OK, then select this surface, sketch, select line, diameter 25 mm, click OK, select extrude, remove material, through hole, OK. There is a center on dia 4 hole. For that, select bottom plane, sketch, select hole, dia 4, finish sketch, extrude, through hole, OK. Save this part. Save this part as a top half, bearing top half. Bearing top half. Save. So second one, file, save as, top half is there. Now we can save as bottom half. For bottom half, you can see there is a dia 6 mm extended pin is there up to 5 mm. For that, remove this, sketch, select line, so we can do so many methods, friends. So just I am using without the plane, I am doing without the planes. Finish sketch, revolve, select remove material, select center line, click OK. So top and bottom bearing flanges are created. So now you can see there is a square head bolt, that is hem10. Square head dimension is 18 by 18. For that, select new, metric, select 2D sketch, plane, select center rectangle, 18 by 18, 18, this also 18. Click OK. Extrude. Thickness is 6.5 mm. 6.5. Select surface, sketch, select circle, dia 10, click OK. Extrude up to 75 mm. So select thread, select surface, so thread length is 26 mm. Here give 49 mm. Click OK. So select fillet, select 5 mm, click apply, Ctrl S, save the part as a bolt M10. So after that you can see there is a one nut and one is lock nut. For that select Control new, same create, select 2D sketch, select plane, select circle, so delete this circle, select here polygon, select 6, okay, give the dimension here to here 14 mm, select circle 10 mm, select vertical constraint, select horizontal constraint, okay, not required, finish sketch, extrude up to 10 mm, so 8 and 5 mm, edit future, extrude up to 8 mm. So actually we required M10 net inside, so edit future, extrude this also, select this surface, create one point, finish sketch, select hole, select here tab, isometric, that is M10, click OK. Save this as a nut. So another one lock nut, this one save as lock nut. For lock nut go to extrude, sketch is same, but edit feature, extrude up to 5 mm. That's it. So all the parts are completed, only one 25 dia shaft is there. That length we can create more than the flange length. Control new, create, select 2D sketch, 25 diameter shaft, click OK, extrude up to 120 mm. Save as a shaft. Save. Select chamfer, give 2 edges. So now all the parts are completed, friends. Now I am going to assemble. Okay, control new, here you can see standard mm, create, select first one, body, click OK, go to view, change shaded with edges. So for body some features are missing, you can add here. If you double click, select chamfer, fillet is missing, R6, select here 6, select these 2 edges, apply. So first constrain this part, to the original planes. Select bottom surface, first select, close this, select constrain, select bottom surface, okay, select constrain, select bottom surface, origin, okay, apply, select center mid plane, okay, apply, select this one, this plane, select face, apply, okay, now need to this plane and plane. So base has constraint, then take bearing top and bottom off. Select first bottom flange, constrain, apply. Rotate this. You want like this. Yes. Okay, select this surface and this surface. Okay, so not taking this. Select this surface and this surface. Okay, select this surface, so 0 degree, apply. Again select this one, give the constraint. First select this surface, bottom surface, apply, give the constraint. Center axis, select face, place, take cap, give the constraint, apply. Again take the bolt, apply. Select both the surfaces. Here select angle, select this surface and bolt surface. Zero degree. Then take the nuts, lock nut and nut. Okay, give the constraint, give the center axis, same select this surface and this surface, apply, give the axis constraint, apply. So select these three, select pattern, 62 mm, give 62 mm here, click OK. So now need this. So save this assembly. You can see friends, all the parts are assembled in the plumber block. Let me know if anything is missing. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel and support me to do the more videos. Thanks for watching this video, friends.